In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-admit Google Meet in 2 steps. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your meetings set up so that people can join automatically, without you constantly clicking Admit every time someone shows up in the waiting room. First, let's talk about what auto-admit actually means in this context. In Google Meet, you can control who's allowed to join your meeting without approval. By adjusting a simple setting in the host controls, you can let participants from certain groups or with the link join automatically, which is especially useful for regular classes, team meetings, or webinars where you trust your audience. Let's start with step 1. Opening your Google Meet and accessing the host controls. Begin by creating or joining a Google Meet as the organizer. Once you're inside the meeting, look for the small shield icon or the host controls option, usually found at the bottom right or under the meeting controls menu, depending on your version. Click on that to open the host and safety settings. This is where you decide who can join and how. Now we move to step 2, turning on the options that effectively auto-admit your participants. Inside the host controls, you'll see settings related to who can join the meeting. Look for options like people who can bypass the waiting room, allow everyone with the link to join, or people in your organization can join automatically. Enable the setting that matches how you want your auto-admission to work. For example, if you're running a meeting for your organization, turn on the option that allows anyone in your domain to join without asking. If you're hosting a broader session, you might allow anyone with the link to join directly. Once you've toggled the correct settings, your changes take effect immediately for that meeting. From this point on, participants who match your chosen criteria will be admitted automatically, and you'll only need to manually admit people who fall outside those rules. A couple of quick tips as you wrap this up. Always double-check these settings at the start of important meetings to make sure they're still configured the way you expect. If you're dealing with sensitive information or a private group, consider limiting auto-admit to trusted users only, such as people within your organization. And that's it. With just these 2 steps, you've set up auto-admit in Google Meet, saving yourself time and keeping your meetings running smoothly from the moment they start.